We can see that our sweet corn here clearly needs some attention. This was all planted at the same time, it's the same variety, but obviously this sweet corn got a little boost, probably when the lawn folks came by and fertilized this Bermuda grass. A routine side dressing is necessary for non-leguminous plants. Rule of thumb amount of nitrogen is about 1/2 pound of actual nitrogen per 100 foot of row. We've got 25 foot of row here. We're putting out 3400, so I need about 6 ounces of 3400 to get the amount of actual N out here that I need. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to spread this out just as evenly as I can. I don't want to run out. I would rather have to come over it twice. It should change the color of these corn plants pretty quickly. With sweet corn, one side dressing is all you need. Commercial farmers, when the corn gets about 14 inches tall, they go in there and they will side dress and they're done.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.